If you are a redhead like me and you spend most of your time hiding from the sun, I have something for you. This lotion here is a self-tanner, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Not only that, I want to let you know it's in my cart below. It is half off right now. I have been looking into many tanners. I used to use a very organic tanner that was important to me to be putting on my skin, and I came across this because the other one that I loved, they no longer make. So I'm trying this one out, and I'm showing you guys the results. So as I self-tan, I'm going to share with you some techniques I use because it is extremely important, especially if you're a redhead, that you are very careful around your knees, your ankles, your feet, and any creases on your body. Now, I never, ever just use my hand because then I would have really big issues and my hand would be tan, and I do not want that. So I am very cautious about how much I use. This comes out as a lotion. It smells amazing. I love that. So I'm just going to start here at my leg. I start putting it on, and I avoid my ankles and my feet to start out, and I'm just rubbing this on. Now, what I like to do is different directions and different. So once I do like my entire leg and I have it kind of all rubbed in, that is when I start going over my knees, and I do circles, and then I do the back of my, all the excess off. I literally just go over my knees and my ankles, but I'm going to show you this trick that I do. So again, most of it is off the mitt, and so I'm going to start with my upper part of my feet. I never do the bottom of my feet, and I just keep rubbing because it's extremely important. I go over my toes just slightly, but this is the key right here. This brush, I just dab a little bit on, and I literally just kind of scrub, like it's a scrub brush, over the top of my toes, my ankles, and my knees. And that will get inside the little creases, and it will apply the tan nice and evenly. So make sure you grab this because, like I said, it's in my cart. It is half price, and it's extremely organic, good for your skin. This is it. And I'm going to come back later to show you the results.